How to delete Coinbase wallet account. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'll be showing you the ways to delete Coinbase wallet account. In order to delete the Coinbase wallet account, you just have to follow the steps. First of all, you need to go ahead and open up your Coinbase wallet application. When you are logged into your wallet account, that is going to take you to this field where you need to go ahead and press on the profile icon from the top right hand side. So when you're logged into your Coinbase wallet account, due to some security concern, I won't be able to show you the procedure. So when you're logged in, that's going to take you to the home page, and from the home page, go ahead and press on the profile icon from the top right hand side corner. As you press on the profile icon, next what you have to do is you just need to go ahead and scroll down a bit. At the bottom, you'll be able to find this option is delete account. Then go ahead and press the delete account button. As soon as you click the delete account button, there will be a confirmation indicating that once you delete your account, you won't be recovering or you won't be able to recover your account. So if you're sure about it, press the delete Coinbase wallet account, and then you'll have successfully deleted Coinbase wallet. So that is how you can delete your Coinbase wallet. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.